Jussie Smollett's hoax case, prosecutor rips Illinois Supreme Court's ruling. He is not innocent. The special prosecutor in the Jussie Smollett hoax case has condemned the Illinois Supreme Court's decision to overturn the actor's conviction. He alleged that the justices disregarded the overwhelming evidence they were given. Smollett was found to have staged a hate crime hoax in 2019 after claiming he was attacked by two white men who were then discovered to be two Nigerian brothers working in collusion with the Empire actor. Now, the judges in Illinois have ruled that Jussie Smollett's retrial was a violation of due process and reversed his conviction. Special prosecutor slams Illinois Supreme Court's decision to reverse Jussie Smollett's conviction. The special prosecutor who investigated Smollett's highly publicized 2019 hate crime hoax case has issued a scathing rebuke of the Illinois Supreme Court after it ruled to overturn the actor's conviction on a technicality. Webb said in a statement shared with the Daily Mail that the ruling has nothing to do with Mr. Smollett's innocence, and the legal reasoning upends long-standing Illinois precedent. My office spent nearly 2 years developing evidence and working closely with the Chicago Police Department to prepare that case for trial, Webb continued in his remark. It is very important I point out that today's decision is also not the result of any error or conduct by the Office of the Special Prosecutor, the trial court, or the Chicago Police Department. He noted that Smollett did not even challenge the sufficiency of the evidence against him in his appeal. The ruling does not clear Jussie Smollett's name, special prosecutor claims. In the Illinois Supreme Court's ruling on Smollett's conviction, the court declared that the actor's rights were violated by Webb and his team's decision to retry him even after the initial charges were dropped with an agreement that he wouldn't be recharged. Webb, in his statement, told the Daily Mail that all of this conduct happened 5 months prior to his appointment. And even though his actions led to the decision, the court did not find any error with the overwhelming evidence presented at trial. The special prosecutor explained that the Supreme Court made a mistake in its ruling over the agreement that Smollett made with the Cook County State's Attorney's Office, CCSAO, in 2019 that he would not be retried. The Illinois Supreme Court reached this decision notwithstanding the fact that the CCSAO dismissed the initial Smollett case via a null prosecutor, which does not bar reprosecution under Illinois law, and Mr. Smollett's own lawyers told the public immediately following the dismissal of his initial case in March 2019 that there was no deal with the CCSAO, he said. Today's ruling does not change how deeply proud I am of the work my special prosecutor's office accomplished, Webb concluded. Nor does it undermine the jury's verdict, and most importantly, it does not clear Jussie Smollett's name. He is not innocent. The Empire star allegedly masterminded a hoax attack. Smollett claimed he was attacked by two men wearing MAGA hats, alleging that they yelled racial slurs at him and placed a noose around his neck. He was later found to have faked the incident by working with two Nigerian brothers whom he paid to stage the hoax scenes. In March 2019, charges against him were dropped, as his lawyers said he was vilified and made to appear as a perpetrator. However, 1 year down the line, Special Prosecutor Webb was tapped to revisit the case to investigate how it was handled. Smollett was then found guilty of 5 of the 6 counts of disorderly conduct in December 2021, leading to him being handed a 150-day jail sentence and 30 months probation. He was also slapped with a hefty fine of $130,000 for wasting police resources. Smollett was later released after serving just 6 days of his sentence as his lawyers filed an appeal against the ruling. The actor faced widespread criticism for his actions. The Lost Holiday actor was enjoying a budding Hollywood career with his appearance as Jamal Lyon on Empire. With his legal troubles at the time, he was temporarily dropped from the hit TV show as show producers called his behavior disturbing. We are also aware of the effects of this process on the cast and crew members who work on our show, and to avoid further disruption on set, we have decided to remove the role of Jamal from the final 2 episodes of the season, they shared at the time. He was eventually dropped permanently from the hit drama series. Empire creator Lee Daniels says he would work with Jussie Smollett again. In an interview on iHeartRadio's The Breakfast Club, Lee Daniels expressed his willingness to collaborate with Smollett despite the alleged hate crime hoax. Describing Smollett as a son following their work together on the hit Fox series Empire, which aired from 2015 to 2020, Daniels stated, "I'd cast him in something. He was a son to me. He also represented me, and he also represented the movement that I tried to start, which I didn't know I was starting." The director also admitted that the whole situation was complicated to him, adding, "I still don't know what to believe. Honestly, I don't know what to believe. People say he didn't do it. He did do it. God bless him on his journey." Jussie Smollett, born June 21, 1982, is an American actor and singer. He began his career as a child actor in 1991, debuting in The Mighty Ducks, 1992. From 2015 to 2019, Smollett portrayed musician Jamal Lyon in the Fox drama series Empire. In January 2019, Jussie Smollett claimed to be a victim of a hate crime, but police later determined he staged the attack with two acquaintances. Initially charged with filing a false police report, charges were dropped after Smollett completed community service and forfeited $10,000. In 2020, a special prosecutor re-indicted him, and Smollett was convicted on 5 counts in December 2021. Sentenced to jail in March 2022, which was upheld on appeal in 2023, the Illinois Supreme Court later reversed the conviction in 2024 on the basis that Smollett had fulfilled the plea agreement made in 2019. Jussie Smollett was born in Santa Rosa, California, to Joel and Janet, née Harris Smollett. He has 3 brothers and 2 sisters: Jake, Jockey, Jojo, Journey, and Jazz, several of whom are also actors. Smollett is biracial and Jewish. His mother is African American, and his father is Jewish. He has said that his father would kill you if you called him white. His father was absent from his life for a significant portion of his childhood. The family moved to the Elmhurst neighborhood of the New York City borough of Queens when he was 2 years old, then to Los Angeles when he was about 7. Smollett graduated from Paramus Catholic High School in Paramus, New Jersey. When he was 19, Smollett told his parents he was gay.